We're taking a bike ride. We've found this new love for a bike shop near us, and they do lots of group rides, and so we're going on a ride where we go 30 miles out, so around like 66 kilometers out to a campsite. We camp, and then we'll come back the next day. Here we go.
Ellie did an extra like 5 miles on this ride with the group because we missed our turn. So I'm a little extra tired.
I'm having fun.
Ellie's having fun, but it's okay. Turtle! Turtle! Ellie. Hello.
This feels nice.
How do you feel?
Better.
Are you dying?
Yes. I don't have the energy to sit up.
No, you guys are awesome. So awesome.
We're very tired.
Hi. I feel pretty okay right now. We just had a bonfire, had spaghetti, and now I feel much more lively, but it's like 10 p.m. and time to go to bed.
Oh, Jesus. That's okay. I'm recording this probably again because the GoPro is being weird, so I'm going to be fast about it. My legs are killing me. We did about 8 more miles today than we had to. We went 38.5 miles. Some people even went 40, which wasn't the plan, but we took a bit of a detour because we missed a turn. So my legs are killing me. Tomorrow morning we bike home. It's another 30 miles. But it's supposed to be easier, so here's hoping. But my legs and butt will definitely be screaming at me when I get back on my bike tomorrow. I definitely need to get more in bike shape and it's also raining. It wasn't supposed to rain tonight, but it is. I don't think it'll rain tomorrow, so I hope it won't, but we'll see. Now I'm going to bed. Goodbye. You can't hear me over the wind probably, but I swear I'll give an explanation of today when we were finally off these bikes. Goodbye. Hello. We've returned. Hold on a minute. I don't want to deal with this door the whole time we're talking. Is it called a door? Do you think a tent opening is considered a door?
This is the door.
Okay.
The escape hatch.
It is escape hatch. Quick to the tent escape hatch. Okay, so last time I talked to a camera about this whole bike ride excursion of ours, we were on our way home. We had, 20 miles to go. I'll have the whole kilometer conversion down here for you. And it was windy. I don't know what the wind was, maybe like 15 miles per hour.
We heard 15 to 25 miles per hour from the others.
Yeah, so there was a lot of wind. Gabby's never experienced a tent before. And it was just brutal. It wasn't fun, was it? No.
I was not happy. I don't do well with wind when it's like going against me and I'm going into it. Because, I don't know, it makes everything more hard. And I don't know, from feeling so great the first day, I felt really terrible. And I was like, I would say on the first day, I finished like maybe like fourth. It's not like it was a race or something, but I finished like pretty much in the front half of the pack. And on the second day, I was the last person. It just, I don't know, maybe that's a reflection of my own fitness. And so that's why I just went for a run today.
It's also a huge reflection of the fitness of the people we were with, which you really can't detract from. So we were biking with a lot of people who bike very avidly. Like they put on 200, 300, 400 miles in a week. No problem. No second thoughts. Like, why drive to neighboring Amherst when they could bike there? Literally. Like, where we're just thinking, do I bike to Plover? I don't know. So there's a big disparity between our skill levels. Absolutely. But yeah, so on the way home, I mean, obviously we made it, but it was really intense. The wind would be so bad sometimes we'd be going downhill and the wind could pretty much stop me on the hill going down, and I'd have to pedal just to go down a hill. Think how ridiculous that is. I definitely got a little sunburnt, and we were ready to be done by the time we got home. And I was personally in a lot of pain for the evening, but now I feel quite a bit better now that I had time to relax.
Good.
But did you like it?
Yeah, overall I really enjoyed it though, and it really made me it like piqued my interest towards the bike world, and now I can't wait to do another bike trip. Although admittedly, we didn't take, as we said, any of our things with us on our bike. The things were in the van, so we'd also have to get prepared, like hauling things. Yeah, a lot of the group that we were biking with, and like the bike shop that like promoted all this does do like a lot like with trying to like help people become more. They call them like bike packers instead of backpackers, and it's basically that sounds kind of like. It is basically what it sounds like. It's the idea like you can get everything onto your bike. So you put your tent, your sleeping bags, your change of clothes, whatever you need, and you can go like do it all from your bike. And I personally think the bikes look actually really cool when you have like the equipment like put on them really properly with the great like bike accessories. But yeah, I was like, as we were biking, I was like, holy crap, if I was like some of these people who really were just full on doing it,
I can't imagine what it would have been like.
Joey.
Bless you. Yeah, so I'm happy that we weren't in that situation. We definitely have to like try it out and stuff. But it gives us a good reason to go biking. I would be happy to get to go biking more. It's been hard to find the time, but I think I just kind of need to make it.
Yeah.
Either get up really early and do it before my day starts or something.
I think I do too.
Mm-hmm.
However, it's so hard when your day starts at like 5:40 a.m. You know, it already feels early to me. I don't want to wake up at 5 because then it means I have to go to bed at like 8. You know.
Yeah. So we'll have to figure that out. But all in all, we had a lot of fun.
We met a lot of amazing people, and even like one of them, I was like, "Oh, I know that person who works there. I should stop by and see them." You know, I already felt like we were friends and closer, but I guess camping overnight with people and then surviving 2 bike trips with them will do that to you.
Yeah. Hello? Maybe it was her. It sounds like someone knocked on our tent. Like how you knock on a door.
Someone knocked on our seat.
Yeah, so that's our.
And we look forward to going on our next adventure with Pabs.
Mm-hmm.
It's a very great bike shop.
Yeah, it'll be a lot of fun whenever that is or however that works. We'll have to get a lot more practice in before then. So we look like pros.
The next one is theoretically like the ride where we go after night and we just go to some different breweries if it's happening. So it's very relaxed and you probably bike a max of 5 miles. So I think we'll look like pros at that.
Yeah, but now we had to set up our tent because it rained a little bit during the night while we were camping, so we had to set it up to dry. And now it's dry, so we have to take it down so we can watch TV and have some supper.
I'm so hungry.
And yeah, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.
What a great outro.
Bye, guys.